Welcome to Entertainment Insider. I'm Jane, and today we're digging deep into one of the most serious and sensitive stories in Hollywood right now, the criminal charges against actor and director Timothy Busfield. From set allegations to court battles, we'll walk through every major element with care and context. Welcome to Entertainment Insider. Today's episode is heavy but important. We're talking about actor and director Timothy Busfield, known for Field of Dreams and The West Wing.
Thanks for having me, Jane. This case raises serious legal and ethical questions in Hollywood.
Let's start at the beginning. Busfield has been charged with criminal sexual contact of a minor and child abuse.
Yes, the charges stem from alleged misconduct involving child actors during the filming of the Fox series The Cleaning Lady.
Police say the investigation began after doctors at a New Mexico hospital raised concerns about grooming.
Reportedly, staff noted behaviors that appeared consistent with abuse and alerted authorities, triggering months of investigation.
Two child actors, twin boys, allegedly told investigators that contact began when one was just 7.
Correct. The complaint says they described tickling that escalated to touching over clothing in private areas.
This is heartbreaking, and their statements were detailed enough to lead to charges.
One brother said he was afraid to tell anyone because Busfield was in charge on set.
And during the initial police interview, Busfield said he didn't remember, but didn't rule out playful contact.
He suggested any physical contact was friendly and part of a playful environment, but that's now part of the prosecution's argument.
Busfield also claimed the allegations were revenged by a parent after the boys weren't invited back to the show.
That defense narrative will likely be central to his legal team's strategy.
Meanwhile, Warner Brothers says they investigated internally but couldn't substantiate claims.
That detail highlights how complex workplace investigations can be compared to law enforcement inquiries.
One of the parents says the boys now struggle with PTSD and anxiety.
That underscores the human cost of these allegations, which extends far beyond headlines.
Then, after a warrant was issued, Busfield turned himself in Albuquerque.
He posted a video insisting he's innocent and plans to fight the charges.
His lawyer echoed that and said he came to New Mexico to confront these allegations.
Defense teams often frame such cases around consent and interpretation of behavior, especially when reputations are on the line.
There was also a dramatic search of Busfield's home by U.S. Marshals in New York.
That action shows the level of seriousness authorities assigned to the case.
Busfield's wife, Melissa Gilbert, is publicly supporting him but not speaking to media.
That's typical. Families often choose privacy during such intense legal moments.
The alleged abuse timeline reportedly stretches from late 2022 to spring 2024.
This means there are years of context the prosecution may explore in court.
One troubling aspect is the allegation Busfield asked the children to call him Uncle Tim.
That's a detail prosecutors may argue was part of grooming behavior.
Defense says they'll challenge that narrative strongly.
Yes, proving or disproving intent and context will be key.
There's also past allegations from decades ago that never resulted in charges.
Those can sometimes resurface in public discourse, but aren't always admissible in court.
As we wrap, what should listeners take away most?
That these cases are legally and emotionally complex, requiring careful evaluation of evidence.
And no matter what, the well-being of children is central to the discussion.
Absolutely. Protection of minors must be a priority in Hollywood and beyond.
Thanks for listening. We'll continue following this case as it unfolds.